Today I'm taking a look at the 12-piece blind hole bearing puller. So it does come with a nice case, and there is the set. We've got a bunch of these collets. You can see they've got that little edge right there. That is going to fit inside the bearing. And then we got these pins that will sit inside. And as that threads in, that is going to spread the tip out. That way it will hold itself against the inside of the bearing, and that will hold on from the inside. Now we thread in our slide hammer, and we just pop that guy loose. So nice, simple design, and very effective for most applications. So we got a low profile puller. We've got 2 of those pins, depending on the size of the puller that we need. And then we got from an 8 up to a 32. So that is 8, 10, 12, 15, 17, 20, 25, and 32. So the way this guy would work, we would thread our pin onto there, thread our puller onto there, and then we could spin this nut up, and that would pull it tighter, so it would essentially pop that guy out. Nice flat bars on either side. It's a nice option if you don't have the room for the slide hammer. Nice. You can see that guy expands quite a bit. Very handy. So overall, that is an awesome set.